A possible life-saving reference to keep around the house or in the car, DK's First Aid Manual looks at more than 100 different conditions, from splinters and sprained ankles to strokes and unconsciousness, and shows exactly what to do with step-by-step photographic sequences. Every condition is clearly explained, outlining causes, symptoms, and signs, and action plans. The updated design makes the instructions easier to follow, whether you need information on emergency first aid for babies and children, or tips on resuscitation. This ACEP First Aid Manual is an invaluable resource to keep you and your loved ones safe and healthy. Find the link below and buy the book now.